Good morning, you guys. It's nice to see you guys again. Hopefully you guys are doing great. You're enjoying your day. We're just waiting for the elevator here. Empty elevator again. I love getting the empty elevator. Anyways, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna go to a nice place called Ferrari of Ontario. If you're new to the channel, my name's Cody. This is Crushin Gears. Make sure you crush that subscribe button. I'll meet you at Ferrari of Ontario. Look what's right behind me there. So we're at Ferrari of Ontario, and thank them for allowing our group here to come out. And a lot of the guys are watching F1. I'm not. I'm here for the cars. So lots of nice cars are going to be here. So let's go check out the cars. If you're new to the channel, my name's Cody. This is Crushin Gears. Do yourself a favor, do me a favor, and crush that subscribe button right in the bottom corner there. Let's go see some cars. Alright guys, check out this collection. As you can see behind me, we got the Ferrari of Ontaro. We're going to check out some of these cars. It's the owner of this dealership's personal collection. It's got Ferraris, 288s, F40s. Let's go check it out. Well, that effectively ends today's adventures. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure to crush that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next video. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to crush that subscribe button. To watch more videos from Crushin Gears, click that video in your top right corner. Please share this video, give it a thumbs up. Free giveaway every 1,000 subscribers. Check out the merch for 10% off, link in the description below.